Hello loves! Today I want to share a very personal story with you. A story of how sometimes you need to go through the dark to get to the light. For years and years I felt lost and disconnected from myself. I lost myself in a toxic relationship, becoming someone a man wanted me to be, abandoning my personality and my friends. I dated guys I didn't even like out of fear of being alone. I kept attracting men who didn't love and respect me. I lost myself in partying, drinking, and smoking weed. I used to be a punk, angry, bitter, and self-destructive. I lost myself in online video games and binge watching of TV series. I spent 2 years of my life escaping reality in imaginary worlds, spending up to 8 hours a day playing the games. I lost myself in fear, having severe panic attacks and health issues. I was afraid to even leave the home, left alone, travel. I lost myself in the jobs I didn't like and didn't enjoy. In the businesses I kept running out of guilt to my partner, and countless freelance gigs that were low paid, sucked my energy dry and left me empty. When I got sick of it, I decided I want to find that light and lightness I used to have as a child. I started this long journey back to myself. I learned to choose myself over and over. I learned to love and accept myself as I am. I learned that real source of happiness, love and joy is within myself, not in men, drinking or comfort foods. On 7th of May, we are launching my new online course, Art of Bloom. This course is the journey to your true self, a journey that will help you to bloom into your most magnificent expression. Because I went through all this darkness, I know how it feels to be lost. And also because of that, I know how to find yourself again. I combined what I've learned, what worked for me personally and what worked for women in our live workshops and retreats. I sprinkled it with Bloom magic, and Art of Bloom was born. I will be honored to guide you. If it calls your heart, join me for this exciting and rewarding journey to yourself.